Hey everybody, welcome to The T Logan. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for our first time subscribers. Thank you for those that keep tuning in to see what we're up to. Today, we're working in the garden and we are trying to get some last minute items in the dirt, all right, in the ground. So what are we doing today? I'm glad you asked. We're doing some lettuce mix, a salad bowl mix. So let me show you how to do it real quick. So as you can see, I have a nice little plot right here just to test it out to see how it's gonna, how we're gonna do this. But I did get some advice and guidance. So I want to shout out my friend Jeremy. I will have him on my channel soon. To me, he's a master gardener and he is very good at what he does. He gave me an idea on how to quickly, instead of starting my salad mix from seed, I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. So what we're doing is we're just throwing them in there. You see that? Like some bird seeds. As you would feed a bird, we're just gonna go ahead and throw them in. You see that? So it looks like little grains of rice all in that dirt, and you probably can't see it. By the way, I apologize in advance for my clarity. My phone has been a mess. That's it. My phone is a mess, so I definitely have to upgrade so that you guys can see the clarity better. But at any rate, let's show you what we're going to do now. So my helper has a rake. This rake is a really good rake. I got it from I want to say I got it from Home Depot or Lowe's. It costs like $45, but it's really worth it because it's big, it's sturdy. The stainless steel grips, or this stainless steel rake, the end of it is really good, and it helps to be able to get those leaves and everything else, the dirt. And sometimes when we are like de-weeding our gardens, it gets those weeds as well. All right, go ahead, let's show them how we do it. Now we're going to take the rake and we're just going to rake it in. And we're going to rake it, and we're trying to hurry up and do this because the water, it's about to rain. So we want to just get a nice soil, and we're blending this salad mix in with the dirt. And I'm not going to water it because you never, word to the wise, never water your gardens during the day, especially when the sun is out. I think we might be okay if we got away with watering it since the sun is not out. All right, go ahead and give it one more good rake. All right, there we go. We're being very careful here not to mess up the other plots. And I saw some grubs as we were breaking. And I also broke this ground up with the de-weeder that I've been talking about on the channel to get deep so that those roots can run deep. So this was really good, not only for weeds, but to break up the ground as well. So you can go ahead and stop that. So then I had an idea on how to hurry up and make some quick markers for my garden. I'm tired of the wind blowing away the markers that the seedlings come in, or the packages or what have you. So what I did was I went to Hobby Lobby and I got some food markers, and they look like this. So I thought, okay, this is a great idea to go ahead and make my own signs. And so it's by Market Square. They did cost like $3, which is not bad. You get 12. And this is what I did. I put what I'm doing on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and do some mustard soon. And as you can see, I got my different markers to make my garden look really nice. So after we put the rake into the ground and we blended up the seeds with the soil, what we're gonna do next is, I think we're gonna water it, because as you can see behind me, it's kind of cloudy. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some water on the soil, and we're going to see how this thing flourishes. And I know, I'm going to come back and give an update. Well, I hope this helps. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week and happy gardening. I hope this helps.